Dreamantic girl.
Hey there, dreamers. Welcome back. This past month marked our first getaway of the season here in Ontario. And even though the weather has been cooler and rainy at times, we've been making the most of every moment outdoors. From peaceful walks with the dogs to cozy campfires under cloudy skies, there's something so calming about slowing down and reconnecting with nature. Rain or shine, these little escapes always remind us how beautiful simple moments can be. So grab a warm drink, get cozy, and come along on our latest camping adventure. We're home. As you can see, we have an extra trailer now. My son just bought it, so we're gonna get rid of the old one with the dog on it, I guess. Yeah, there's Venus doing her morning thing. Brutus has got to take his flea and tick gummy today. And I got to work on a beautiful holiday day. Poop. Good morning. So it's a Wednesday. Just out with Venus. Temperature was really hot yesterday, and it has cooled off and become quite pleasant this morning. At least at 7 o'clock it is. Yeah. Supposed to be going camping this weekend, but it's pretty scary looking at the weather. It's supposed to rain all weekend. Poop. So, anyway, I'm going to pay attention to my little Venus. She's doing her little walkabout. I think she needs to go to the bathroom. Out in the farm field she goes. I just got to watch for coyotes. I do like them, and I like seeing them, but just not when my little dog's out. I prefer it when they come out, when it's just me out back here. Yeah. It's always a concern here, though. They love this farm field. Happy Friday. I believe 22nd of May. So it's supposed to rain this weekend, but you'd never believe it from the way the sky is. It's just gorgeous. Sun coming up. I love it. I'm out here with Venus. I started packing already. Yeah, so see how things go. Hopefully the weatherman is wrong. I've been doing some packing, and now I'm out with Venus, and then I gotta go get Brutus and let him out for his pee-pee. And then I gotta go to work and figure out how to set up a scavenger hunt, because it was on our calendar, and I'm not 100% sure how they had this plan to do it, so I think I'm gonna make my own. It'll save us some money anyway, because I think we were gonna pay somebody to do it. So, I don't know. Anyway, there we go.
In your face, I see a spark so bright. Every giggle you make is pure delight.
I don't think we need to get propane.
I would want to just to make sure, because it would suck to run out, and then we got no heat and it's cold and raining. The trek is started. We are off. Yay! Most stressful part of camping, leaving and making sure you have everything. Correct?
That was pretty good.
I know, but I find that the most stressful part. The paranoia.
My routine got changed because of not going downtown Toronto.
Yeah.
So I didn't go to the place I wanted to go, so I had to change my grocery list, places I went to.
Yeah, well.
But I think I got everything. I'm
Good.
getting pretty good. It's my third time now. I got your pillow, my pillow.
Yeah. Our first fill up on the 35 115, getting propane over there for make sure we have enough of that, and filling up with the gas. There's the nice guy who's like helping us. All right, we got gas, propane, and now we're getting Popeyes. Yeah, John's starving. He didn't eat today. I had sushi at lunch, so I'm probably gonna have mine after when we get there. But yeah, no cooking tonight when we get there. Maybe just a nice little walk. Yeah, looking forward to it. Oh, and I probably haven't even mentioned it yet. So we're going to Sandbanks. Yeah, and then next weekend will be Pinery. Last weekend was Diamond Lake, the totally off-grid place. And the week before that, we went to Presqu'île Provincial Park. So, yeah, May has been booked pretty good, all 4 weekends. Venus is very interested in the chicken left in the Popeyes boxes. There goes in the bag. She's sniffing. Sniffy, sniffy. It's in the box. She can't get at it.
Remember? We were at this fruit and vegetable stand.
Do not remember.
Oh, God.
In 400 meters, keep left to stay on County Road
I don't
12.
remember that sign though.
Down. Which way am I going?
I think we're here. And then we just keep following up to the front gate where you...
Sandbanks Provincial Park. Arrived.
Over to the right?
I guess, yeah. It's good. It should say front gate, bypass lane, permits, check-in, and all that. It's that way.
Left?
Yeah, that arrow's showing there. Yeah. There we go.
Which way, honey? Look. Here.
So where's B? B is straight. Oh, we go. We're going this way. Heading in to campsite 210.
That's it.
Okay, I spared you the burden of watching us set it all up. One day I will put the camera on and I'll let you watch what we have to do. Now we're going to take a stroll because I don't know where a comfort station is or the water. I want to see. All right, so I discovered the comfort station, which is good. Brutus has been yanking me around though, so I can't really do much about that. So to get to it, I came down that dirt road and I was coming from that way. I just gotta go straight up the road a little bit. So it's not too bad. At least I'll be able to have a shower. Venus's leash is screwed, so I can't get it to go in far enough that I can take her for a walk. And Brutus is being really naughty boy and yanking me around and pulling like a maniac. Well, it's Friday night campfire. This Venus one in the trailer. Good morning, folks. So, just used the bathroom. Met a nice lady I was talking to. She's a Rottweiler rescue as well, just like Brutus from the Ottawa area. Anyway, I was checking out after going to the washroom, and the river is here. Not allowed down this part, though. See, the sign says it's a sensitive habitat, and it's fenced off. But still cool. Nice little spot here. I guess this used to be like a river spot for camping. Either that or a place where people could walk down to the river. Okay, I gotta go get the dogs and let them out. All right, well, we found the river this morning. Cool little spot. There's Venus. And Brutus being a good boy. And there you are. It's pretty. All kinds of birds. Hey, all kinds of birds. Red-winged blackbirds. Let's see if we can catch some of them flying through there. Oh, there's one. They're so cute. That's better. We would do that. Alright, heading to the shower. Hopefully there's one available. The washrooms are the same. There's the ladies. Men's is on the other side, and along that stretch right there is like 5 showers. Set up exactly the same as every other provincial park. And it was clean, and yeah, it's nice. Well, my shower's finished. It's not bad. It's like the standard shower, right? It was clean, I'll give them that. But the one thing I didn't like is the amount of time the water's on is like really short. So you're like, especially if you're really trying to have like a clean yourself shower instead of a fast rinse because you have sand on you, you know? So, yeah, that was kind of irritating. But anyway, now we're gonna probably try and take a walk if it's not raining. Like the weather is 100% rain. So, breakfast, we're doing bacon and eggs. We've had coffee already just before I got here to shower. I had that first early morning trip to the washroom, took the dogs for a walk, had coffee, come have my shower, and yeah, weather permitting, we'll be walking around after breakfast. Well, this is like the walk back, those little white spots are trilliums, and there's a broody twin up there. He's really cute. It looks like a twin. Oh my God, does he ever look like Brutus? And then see all the trilliums. It's really pretty. See, trilliums. And then these other little red guys. I have to look up what they are. But yeah, both sides of the road that I'm on to our campsite, all through the forest, these beautiful trilliums, the flower of Ontario. This is the time of year. And the black flies are not bad. So, cool, eh? Saturday morning. And bacon. Yeah. People over there were cooking it too. And there's Venus being very patient. She knows that smell. Don't you? Venus, do you know that smell? You do, don't you? Brutus,
Brutus, come close.
where are you going? You can stay here. You're moving too quick.
Can you please?
All right, and coffee and bread is gonna go in the frying pan. I'm gonna butter it. Bacon is looking good. Eggs are gonna go in. Way cool. Espresso at a campsite. It's a real awesome thing. Located in Prince Edward County, Ontario, Sandbanks Provincial Park is one of the province's most popular camping destinations. Famous for its beautiful sandy beaches, towering dunes, and family-friendly campgrounds. The park offers more than 500 car camping campsites spread across 5 campground areas: Outlet River A, Outlet River B, Cedars, Woodlands, and Richardson's. Campers can choose from both electrical and non-electrical sites, with Woodlands Campground providing electrical service at every campsite, while Outlet River and Richardson's offer a mix of serviced and unserviced sites. The park also features excellent accessibility options, including barrier-free comfort stations throughout the campgrounds, accessible washrooms and showers, and a barrier-free 1 kilometer section of the Sandbanks Dune Trail, allowing visitors of all abilities to enjoy the park's unique natural landscape. Alright, we're at the place, the Ontario Park store. This is the exit only. I gotta go in the entrance, but in there's the store. But they don't have t-shirts. Huh? Yep. No. They do have t-shirts and stuff, I think. Alright, I'm gonna shop. How pretty is that? A house with a fire pit. The highway's kind of close, but still pretty. Okay, we walked to the store and back, checked out the beach, a lot of no-dog beaches, and it is just miserable out, so I'm going to get changed into dry track pants because I'm wet and should have wore the rain pants, and have another cup of coffee, I think. Yeah. Even the dogs weren't liking it. We're at one of the most beautiful beaches, as you probably realize from that footage, even though it was crappy out. And there we are. Nice camp spot. And it's shit out. Marvelous. Dinner in the rain. Marvelous. Oh, we got a steak in there. Thank God for our Blue Eddy. That's our lifesaver for making coffees, charging our phones, and the computer since we're going to be watching TV. And this roof thing makes like a huge difference. Keeping us dry.
Yeah, this is the cat's ass, the camping. This is fucking tarp, eh?
Yes, it is.
Right.
You know it's you.
So our neighbors over that way left. It's been raining, so we have like no neighbors now. The whole area to ourselves. We had barbecued steak with baked potato with hell of a dip on it. It was really good. And barbecued, like marinated in butter corn on the cob. And now, John is building a fire somewhere back here. There, he's bent down, making the fire in the rain. Wow, the effort people have to put into in rainy days camping sucks.
Can you give me a dry piece of
There's one there.
what?
You had it, eh?
Yeah.
It's not easy in the rain. Wonder if we have any other cardboard. I'm gonna look. Oh, whoa, look at all the sparks. Yike. It's that dang wind. We got a big fire going though. That's our Saturday night fire. It's been raining all day long. We're cold. So this is gonna make us nice and warm. Yeah. Oh, there's Brutus. There's Venus. And me. It's rainy and horrible out again this morning. I saw 2 swans, but I didn't get there in time with the dogs to get it on film. They were so pretty swimming down the river. Anyway, yeah, what a crappy weather weekend. Rain like all afternoon and night last night. We're home. It's still crappy out. Venus! Oh, fucking bitch. There she is. Oops, excuse my language. I just out for a pee. Stay here! I mean it. Stay close, okay? That's the end of the video for Sandbanks Provincial Park. Not much on Sunday because it rained all day Saturday and it was still raining Sunday. And we just got out of there early and came home and it was still raining here. So, rain. Yeah, and then I worked all week and going away again to Pinery Provincial Park. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. It's free and it helps me out a lot. Be good to each other.